Hi guys, hi, welcome to our channel
Silver Fanatic.
Yes guys, today's video
it's an unboxing, guys, of yours. It's here in front of us,
catching up.
We're really trying to catch up, guys. We really
pushing,
trying to push, because we didn't start the year.
Second month now of the year.
We didn't start the year we wanted to. Okay, let's get to this unboxing, guys.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's see
what we have here. Okay. All right, guys. Let's see. Okay, there's the packet there. Within the packet, this is what we want. Put the rest away, guys. Okay, all right, guys. I think
let's see
that is what we're looking for. Okay, let's get to it.
No sneak peek.
No sneak peek. Nothing but
only see black.
Only black. I don't even know how this thing is red.
Don't touch anything.
All right. I'll try by all means. Okay. All right, guys. Something in the box, guys. Something in the box. So that's the only clue. There's something in the box. Yes, guys.
Let's see.
Something in the box comes with a certificate of authenticity, guys.
Let's see
what it is. Let's just
Can't
see.
wait.
Can't wait.
Yeah.
Which side? This side? This side?
Yeah.
Yes, this side. Okay. Yeah, it is, guys. Let's just start here. Let's start here. It's from a South African mint, guys. Okay. It comes from South African mint. This is a certificate, guys. Okay, we won't read the rest.
You can just pause the video.
You can just pause the video, guys. Just read, guys, the details. I'll just bring it closer here. Okay, it's a premium uncirculated 2017 1 ounce fine silver Krugerrand, guys. Premium uncirculated certificates of authenticity, guys.
Beautiful.
It's a beautiful, guys, coin. I must say.
They made a million.
Yes.
Of these coins.
Limited edition, a million, guys.
Yes.
This is the time when South Africa started a silver bullion
on the
2017. So for us it was a must to have this coin where they started, guys. So it was a must. We had to have this
2017
coin, the 2017 Krugerrand, guys. So it was a must. So I'll put that aside. I'll just put that there aside so we can see the coin, guys.
Yes. Take it out.
Let's just take it out. Let me just try something different like this.
Don't break.
Before I start breaking things, before everything falls off the table. What a nice coin.
Beautiful,
guys. I hope the camera
can do the justification.
I hope it does justice to show how beautiful this thing is. But we will try by all means to show it, guys.
Beautiful.
And the thing I love the most, it's like a reverse proof.
Yes, it's got like a frost on it.
I think there's a spot in my heart now. Yes, like a frost lookish at the back. I think they outdone themselves by doing that. It's really beautiful, guys. We are really excited to have this coin. Thanks. We can't call ourselves stackers, guys, from South Africa without having one of these. We can't. We simply couldn't, guys. We couldn't, guys. It was pricey, but we had to get it.
Yes.
It was pricey, but we had no
prepared.
choice. We were not around this time when they took it out, so that is where you pay the price. But
for sleeping.
for sleeping, guys. We were still sleeping during this time.
Yeah,
that's why we were not around the stickers, guys. Let's see the back, guys. As obvious as always, Paul Kruger, guys.
Paul
Kruger, guys, at the back of the coin, guys. Okay, all right, guys. Beautiful coin, guys.
We have to share.
And that thing, like a reverse, guys. It's really amazing. It's really amazing. Really amazing, guys. It's a very beautiful coin. Okay. All right, guys.
Let's hope the camera will show.
Yes, let's hope.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Beautiful coin, guys. I think today's video was just about that.
This unboxing,
guys. This beautiful, guys.
Have to show.
Yes, we had to show it, guys. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you for the subscribers, guys. The car is still on, guys.
Yes.
Let's try and push for 200, guys. At the end of February, guys.
That's true.
Let's try.
Let's push it.
Let's try and push for 200, guys, at the end of February.
Yes,
guys. The car is still on, guys. If you haven't seen it, guys, it's in one of our videos, guys. It's not far back.
No, it's just
few
videos back.
Yes, guys. You can just see that car. Okay, guys, I think we can do it, guys. Get to 200 subscribers, guys, before February, before the end of February. Yes, guys. Okay. We'd like to thank our subscribers, guys. Thank you a lot. Comments, guys. Comments, you really learn a lot from it, guys. So we appreciate your comments. They're educational. Anything educational to us, guys. We really grab it with both hands and appreciate.
You don't take things lightly.
No, we do not. We listen to every comment. We listen to everybody. Yes. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.